विद्यानिकेतन English Medium School Malda. In previous video, we studied about integer. In this, we studied some rules for addition of integer and for subtraction of integer. We also studied about the opposite integer. Now, in this video, we are going to start our next chapter. The name of the lesson is angle. So, you know well about the angles. So, what is mean by angle? Angle is nothing but the space between two lines, and that space is measured in degree. So, what is the definition of angle? The space between two lines that measured in degree is called as angle. If the space which is measured in degree, the space between two lines which is measured in degree is called as angle. So, there are three types of angle, and that types also you studied in previous standard. So, what are that types of angle? First one is acute angle, second one is right angle, and third one is obtuse angle. So, acute angle means the angle which is less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. The angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Right angle, the angle which is equal to 90 degree is called as right angle. Again this one, the angle which is equal to 90 degree is called as right angle. And the third type that you studied in previous standard is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means the angle which is greater than 90 degree is called as obtuse angle. You have to study detail about all three types and another types of angle in next video. But for these three types of angle, for revision in your textbook there is one activity, so you all see in your textbook. Here you have one activity for revision. So look at the angles shown in the picture below. Identify the type of the angle and write its name below the picture. So you have to write the name of the picture. You have to draw these pictures in your notebook, and by using protractor you have to measure this angle and write down the name of all types of angle. By using protractor you measure this angle. See the first picture. First picture is of clock, wall clock. You just have to write the name of angle by using the protractor. Measure the angle. This is about of 160 degree, means it is which type? Yes, obtuse angle, means it is greater than 90 degree. That's why it is obtuse angle. Now next, see next picture is of scissor. So now measure it by using protractor. This is of 90 degree, means which type of angle is? This is right angle. And the last picture is of bird. You have to measure the angle of bird's bar. It is near about 15 to 20 degree, means less than 90 degree, means which type of angle this? This is acute angle. So you have to draw this picture and write down the name of each angle. First name is obtuse angle, second one is right angle, and third one is acute angle. So we have to complete this table. I can draw this table on whiteboard and I will explain this. So students, we have to complete, you have to complete this table. In this, there are angles in this side, different angles, and different angles have different name. You have to write down first name of the angle. In second, you have to write vertex of angle, and third arms of angle. So Y. Okay. Next, or simply we can write Y. Next, or point Y. Next is arms of angle. So what is mean by arms? Arms means sides. Angles have two sides. So how we can write the arms of a first angle? First we write side YP or PY and side YR, or you may write it as arm YP, arm YR. Any word you can use, side or arms. Okay. For next angle, the name of angle is LMN. You can write angle LMN, or you may write it as angle NML. Angle NML. Okay. Which is the vertex for this angle? Yes, vertex is M, because two sides LM and NM are joined by point M. So vertex is point M. And which are the arcs for this angle? Side LM and side NM. You may write it as RLM and RNM. Next, for this angle, what is the name of this angle? Angle BOS or SOB. Angle BOS or angle SOB. Okay. Now, what is the vertex for this angle? Yes, vertex is point O, because these two lines, two sides are joined by the point O. Okay. And the arms of angle for this angle, first one is side BO and side SO.